Welcome to our channel. If you need to download your region's bank transaction history to Excel for record keeping or budgeting purposes, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open your web browser and navigate to the region's bank website. Click on the Sign In button to access your online banking account. Step 2. Enter your username and password. Then complete any security verification required. Step 3. Once logged in, locate your checking or savings account from the accounts list and click on it to view transaction details. Step 4. Look for the Export, Download, or Download Transactions option, usually found near the transaction list or in the account menu. Step 5. Select the date range for the transactions you want to export. You can choose a preset range or enter custom dates. Step 6. Choose Excel or CSV as your download format from the available file type options. Step 7. Click the Download or Export button to begin processing your request. Step 8. Your browser will download the file, typically to your Downloads folder. Open the file in Microsoft Excel or any compatible spreadsheet program to view and analyze your transaction history. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.